travelers, we are going to give a testimony on Gravity Heights, which is located at 9920 Pacific Heights Boulevard in San Diego. It is a beautiful outdoor patio bar type thing. It was really clean, very modern. I love the aesthetic. It had neon lights everywhere. It was really nice to look at, great for taking pictures, of course. I love the bathroom, unisex, very modern. I didn't feel like it was intrusive at all. It had a lot of privacy. Other than the look, I don't know if I would ever go back. The menu was very, I ended up getting some crab fries, and I digged in it before I made this video. I'm going to give this a 6 for the atmosphere. The salad was really dry, and the fries had no flavor to them at all.